So guys, the Premier League is back!
With the battle for the top position and to maintain the 12th position in the Premier League, Liverpool.
Whatever. 32 magnificent goals scored this weekend.
With, don't forget, Rooney's 200 goals in club format.
Forget Rooney, Raheem Sterling scoring the only and the winning goal for Liverpool.
Kya?
Welcome to Sports Hafta.
But how Liverpool goal score? How?
पाँव से. So guys, before we go ahead with the show,
we'll ask you 3 questions in the middle.
And you guys stand, sit and even lie down a chance to win a Coke goodie bag. क्या हुआ? A Coke goodie bag.
बहुत भारी है यार, बहुत भारी है.
तो रखना नीचे. So yes guys, Raheem Sterling's goal made it to my scream moment. He became the second youngest goal scorer in top flight football in England.
Who's the first youngest player then?
Shahid Afridi.
What? Shahid Afridi?
Yes, and Fahad, you know what? There's a myth circling around. When Shahid Afridi scored his first goal, he became 10 years younger.
And I always thought that his young looks were because of Santoor Sabun.
Not
well. Anyways, moving on, United and Manchester City even won their games by trailing.
Yes, and Chelsea won an important game against Spurs at White Hart Lane.
With the return of Ram Vilas Boas welcoming Chelsea to his latest parivar. Sorry.
Anyways, moving on to La Liga.
Kama podre, Ritumbara, चाहत के
दो पल भी मिल जाए,
दुनिया में वो भी कम है
क्या?
सुनो सुनो सनोरीता कहते हैं हम क्या?
Why are we getting?
We are losing focus.
I'm
I don't
sorry.
know what.
Anyway, in La Liga, Barcelona registered a very important win. They won 5-4 against Deportivo La Coruña and Messi scored yet another hat-trick. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? क्या?
Contest question.
अरे हाँ, okay guys, sorry. The first contest question is, who scored the 4th goal for Deportivo against Barcelona?
I know.
What?
The answer is.
ये contest question है, contest question.
Sorry. Alright, so Manas, now focus, okay? Focus.
Okay.
Alright, focus. So yes, Saina Nehwal,
Age 22.
won her 6th Super Series title to beat Julianne Schneck,
Age 30.
beating her 21-17 and 21-8.
The best part about this victory was she beat Wang Yan in the semi-finals. Wang Yan demolished her in the London Olympics semi-finals. And now, revenge. Saina Nehwal beat her in the Danish Open semi-finals. Yes!
Way to go, Saina. It is so brilliant actually to see an alphabet making such a difference in tennis and badminton.
Anyways, moving on. Our second question of the day. What was the score like when Saina Nehwal won her bronze medal in London 2012?
I
Contest.
Sorry. So those are the scream moments and it's now time for the
WTF moment.
Well, my WTF moment for this week is Rio Ferdinand of not wearing his anti-racism t-shirt, Kick It Out, during the game against Stoke. Well, apparently Sir Alex is really angry with him and he says he'll deal with him personally.
Well, this is on a serious note and this all is followed by a lot of racial controversy which has been happening. Evra versus Suarez, John Terry versus Anton Ferdinand, and recently Danny Rose was subjected to some racial chants in Serbia, you know.
Monkey chants.
Yeah, it's really sad, you know, Fahad.
And this is not even funny actually. So this gets us to our next question, which is the last question of the show. And the question goes like this. Thierry Henry, the legendary footballer, actually came up with an anti-racism campaign. We want to know what was the name of that campaign.
Yes. So after the huge build-up of the Carbon Smart Champions League T20 held in South Africa,
Are you okay?
Popat, 3 teams IPL ke out. Chennai Super Kings, KKR and Mumbai Indians couldn't even go through the group stages. यार.
Horrible, really horrible to see that. इसका मतलब ये हो गया है कि और दूसरे अलग एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल के टीआरपी फिर से बढ़ जाएंगे.
आस्था चैनल का मत भूलना.
Oh yes, Astha channel. Who forgets Astha channel? Yes, my
Swaha.
favorite. Swaha. So that's our show for today, guys. And before we sign off, there's one important thing that I need to tell you. Every Thursday, we'll be having the biggest fans of football coming in this premise. And on Thursday, we'll be having Manan Bawa, the moderator of Man United Mumbai.
Wait. So he moderates men who are united?
Very sad joke. What is your line?
Yeah. So guys, my line is that if you want to win this Coke goodie bag, all you have to do is answer the 3 simple questions. For that, you will have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, AFANCAN, which is AFAN space CAN, and you can submit your answers through the comment section, which you see below the video.
हो गया बहुत भारी.
अरे हो गया बोल दिया.
Ouch. And yes, also remember that please submit your answers only to YouTube, not to Facebook and Twitter, because our mind focuses only on one thing. So yes, the answers will only be accepted if you type it on the YouTube comment window.
Yes. So this is Manas
And I'm Fahad.
signing off.
See you. Bye. Yeah, by the way, Thursday is the winner's announcement. Okay, don't forget.
Thursday, हाँ sorry. कितना ठोकेगा?